Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can delete your comment history on TikTok. You want to click on profile at the bottom right of the screen, and then you want to click on the 3 line at the top right. Then just click on words, settings and privacy. From inside, settings and privacy, scroll a bit down and you can see this option called Activity Center. Click on Activity Center. Click on the option called Comment History. Once you click on it, all of your comment history is going to be displayed over here. And if you want to delete any comments from over here, just click on the comment. It's going to open the video, and it's going to show the comment on the video. You can just hold on the comment and click on delete. And basically, the comment will be deleted just like this. So you need to do it one by one, and every single comment. Because there's not a single button, you can press to delete all of your videos. Alright, so yeah, that is basically how you guys can delete comment history on TikTok. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. And if you want to delete all of your comment history, you can also report this problem. Common settings. Scroll a bit down, click on report a problem, and from over here, scroll all the way down and click on submitter report. And once you're in submitter report page over here, you can explain your problem, to TikTok. Okay, like you can see, hey, I want to delete all of my comment on TikTok, and you have to provide them a reason, to give them a great reason. And after you submit this report, TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix a problem. So that is also an option if you want to try, but it's not going to work 100% time. There's a 50-50 chance TikTok staff will help you or not.